We're going in.
Going in.
Usually we take off our shoes here.
No, you should take our shoes here.
Yeah.
But never mind lah. There's one light here. There's one light here. There's also lights behind. Hey, don't look at my butt.
Nice.
Welcome to our van. Oh, you look great.
Thanks. Hey, we didn't pack it. Is that okay?
It's okay. Show us around.
We're sitting in the dining area. So there's like a C-shaped cushion. We usually just sit here and put all our things. So it's a bit messy because we're going to get ready to shower. We just had a run. But if you can see above, so this camper van houses 5 to 6 adults. I don't know how they say 5 to 6. You can sleep here, but I tried lying down and I cannot imagine being the person inside. It's really quite hard to come out. So in the end, we decided to just put our luggages. So whenever we need clothes, we're just here like that. There's the storage here, and the storage here, and there's also aircon here.
Oh,
and here.
shouldn't the aircon.
So you can turn on the aircon, but then the engine has to be on. I'm gonna let more light in.
Hey, explain this aircon.
We were like, yes, there's an aircon. And then we realized that we need external power supply. There are two very nice windows, so if you want light...
That crack is not by us.
Yeah, it's the previous person.
Oh, this is the C shape, because you couldn't see.
Okay, let's pretend to eat. Okay, I'm gonna show you now, like, is it a closet?
Yeah?
We just put our shoes, our guitar, the table, and some...
Foam pads.
Yeah. And this is also where we hang our towels, but we took them down because we're gonna go shower.
Oh, and on top, there's a bug.
Oh,
It's
boy.
a mosquito net. And then that's ventilation.
Oh boy, there's a huge bug. It'll be gross.
You
It
just
goes
splattered.
into the fan, yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's just let it go.
leave it.
That's ventilation for the closet. And this is the most important. It's right above the dining table. It's ventilation for the van. You can pop it open and then you get on the van.
And you can also control the direction of airflow. Okay, one of our favorite parts of the house. There's our fridge. This is our freezer. Put ice and our meat inside. Then below is just like our milk, eggs and stuff. You have a cake if you want to eat it later. Nice. There's a small little stove here. Just enough to boil something and then fry something. And I also have flowers. My husband. Nice. This is also storage. We put our coffee stuff here. Let me see. An extra stove if we want the option of cooking outside. And then here is our cooking stuff. So they have like cooking utensils that you can rent, but it's pretty pricey, so we decided to just bring our own. Yeah. So in order to wash hands, the water doesn't appear magically. So we actually have water tanks that Zeph has filled. Wow!
Oh.
So this is the clean one, that's the dirty one. So whenever we wash, water comes from here and then the dirty one goes there. And then this is also, show them inside, it's very spacious. They said we could keep our luggages. Extra storage, actually a lot of storage. Okay, closing it.
Show us the water.
Okay, since we're doing it, I'll wash my hands. Don't waste water. I brought soap from Singapore and like detergents. But ask Zeph, he loves that I brought all these things. So I can wash my hands. Only very small because I save water. And when we're done, just turn it off. Beautiful.
Nice.
And then when my hands are wet, I can wipe it on Zeph. Okay, the original van doesn't come with these not so pretty sheets. It actually has a very nice deep red, but then we're a bit more particular about hygiene. Okay, me. A bit more particular about hygiene, so we decided to buy these. Oh! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Zeph hit his head. These are like disposable 4-piece bed sheets, and then because we don't have a quilt, we have an extra piece behind Zeph for privacy.
Yeah.
Because if not, this is what you can see. Like everyone can just look in, and then the first thing they'll see is us sleeping. Okay, come with me, I'll show you the front of the van.
Show us the front.
Okay, I've never told you this, Zeph, but I like this van a lot because there are so many things I can choose to hold to get up. Number 1, number 2, and then number 3.
Oh, wow.
So I'm wearing a dress, right? Then I can adjust. Then I can put myself up.
I've never used any of those 3 things.
What do you use to get up then?
I just jump on it.
Okay, you'll show later. So it's nice and spacious. Show them my view. It's so nice and big. It's like, wow. And I'd like to show you a bag of snacks. A lot. Okay, I'm going to show you Zeph's side. So Zeph can show him jumping on, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
We're driving.
Oh, I hope nothing drops. Kettle is full of water. The soap is outside.
Actually, everything should be fastened before you drive. But then because we're just driving a shop. Ah!
I'm thinking the kettle.
It's fine. You did well. We tried our best.
Sorry, baby. I love you.
I love you. Thank you for playing with me.
So happy to play with you.
Say bye.
Bye bye.